All right, we're booting up. I'll put the cover on it. Let's see. Hit the boot menu. But there's nothing on this drive that I'm aware of that this thing will recognize, so we're just gonna let it go. Okay. Windows 7 loader. Interesting. Okay. So this is not even a drive I want to use because I know what this goes to. Alright. Let's go ahead and shut this off. I need to get a different drive. Alright. I put a different drive in here, but I don't know if it's going to work. Because it might have something on it. Let's see if it just boots to this boot stick. But yeah, I pulled this one out. I forgot this was in a laptop that I put Peppermint Linux on. And it has Windows 7, so it actually could just go into that damn thing. F6. Boot menu. So we got the two big drives. That one. And we got that. That's going to be our open media vault. There we go. Just find the mouse. Okay. Doot, doot. This machine's actually fairly noisy. Okay, your system has multiple network interfaces. Choose the one. Okay. I don't know which one it is. It definitely can be a problem if you don't have. What is it? Why does it already know the name? That's kind of weird. Alright. I don't know. Let me see. Some interesting choices for times. East Indiana, Samoa. Interesting. Okay. Alright. So we want the 500 gigabyte. We don't want the 4 terabyte. Okay. To continue, blah, blah, blah. Warning, this will destroy all the information. Okay. It doesn't say the drive size, so it makes it kind of hard to know which one you're even writing it to. But it's okay. And it's a server. I don't need a solid state drive in this thing. I don't really see how that's going to help this thing very much. I kind of thought it was funny they put a solid state hard drive in here with two gigantic 4 terabyte spinning drives. And I don't know what happened here. It says it failed. Um, see, try to get enter. Oh, interesting. I don't think this is going the way it's supposed to go because it knew the name of the server. Um, and I don't think I would have had anything on that disk already. And I don't know. Well, I guess we'll have to wait and see what it does. I'm not sure why it keeps failing. An installation step failed. You can try to run the failing item again from the menu or skip it and choose something else. The failing step is install the system. Oh geez, no big deal, right? Alright, I don't know why it keeps failing, but it won't install. I think I ran into this before, I don't remember what it was. So, I don't know. It says there's something wrong with the installation media. Okay. Well, let's shut this thing down. Alright, so I don't really want to use Open Media Vault. So I'm going to do some searching here. Let's close this. Let's look up Simple Server OS. Clear OS. Hey, overview for simple server operation. Linux distributions like Ubuntu, Debian, and ClearOS are good choices. ClearOS is lightweight Linux distro designed for small businesses, while Ubuntu and Debian are well supported and offer a large community. Let's see. I don't know about the Proxmox. I heard about that quite a bit. Home server OS. Debian home server OS. Okay, well, alright, OpenSUSE. Proxmox. So we'll just go to go to distro watch. Sometimes you can narrow it down. If you go into like the search criteria, somewhere there's a way to change it. But we're just gonna go over to their homepage. I think there's a server on here. Other downloads. Well, just type in. Alright, I don't know. Okay. I'm pretty sure Ubuntu has a server version. If you go on their site, you'd probably see it. The heck? This is AT&T thing. Modern enterprise open source security support managed service from. Interesting. So, as far as I understand, the Ubuntu server has no graphic user interface. Well, let me look that up. Yeah, it does not. Okay. What? Many Linux distributions and some Windows Server versions have a GUI. Let's see what that. GUI can be added. Road desktop. We get. I wonder how old this is. 2 years ago. And Open Media Vault doesn't really have one. And I think True NOS is already dead in the water. Nope. Alright, I'm going to download Open Media Vault again. I don't really want that one, but... and I can't think of anything else. Come on. So basically... I wonder, I think CentOS maybe had... It's based on Fedora. Red Hat in-vehicle operating system. Interesting. CentOS stream continuously delivering the tracks just ahead of Red Hat Enterprise. The hell? I don't know if I understand what that is. Let me see. And installation of CentOS 7 for a server. Well, CentOS is now CentOS Stream. But I don't know if it has a special server edition. Alright, well, while we're doing that, we're gonna go ahead and write Open Media Vault to this other stick. I think there might have been something with the other SD card. I was using an SD card and a card reader. It's a USB stick card reader. So that might be a problem. So we'll try it like this.